Why does your scanner show the P0191 engine code? What does it mean? P0191 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel rail pressure sensor circuit range or performance. This engine code indicates the sensor's signal to the engine control module, ECM, regarding fuel rail pressure is either too high, too low, or erratic. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Fuel rail pressure sensor. Faulty wiring. Faulty fuel pressure regulator. Fuel pump issues. Vacuum leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles associated with fuel pressure problems and can be seen in cars like BMW, Chevy Equinox, Jaguar, Buick Verano, Ford F-150, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.